This is not a big barricade, it's very short. I'll just move over here, I'll be fine.
Wait, he called me. I don't know, I don't care. Noah.
Wait, are you videotaping the whole thing?
Yes.
Hey,
cool! I want a video!
I did it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna edit you guys.
Oh, thanks!
He doesn't love us. So we don't be able to see on the wall. Hey, someone, I need a beat shield like right here. Stand on top of the beat shield. Back here. Yeah, right there. Yeah. He doesn't need a shot right there. I will. And I don't care. Let me.
Man, this kid's gonna get shot in the back.
I want to get shot.
Why are you using a shotgun?
That shotgun is for when they breach.
Use your rifle. I'm just saying. Just do it.
What? They're going? No. Not good. Who's got the window? Which window? Everyone come, we're good. Who has the window? Now no us. Oh, really? That's not good.
Whoa! I am sorry.
window. That one right there. Hey guys, that window right there. Hey guys, come over there. Moving on.
If you're surrendering, get out. Yeah. Come here, guys. Come here.
Under the stairs.
Come here, guys.